Okay guys, holding each other's right hands, step forward towards each other on right foot and back away on left foot. And then turn the lady anti-clockwise and switch places. Repeat again, forward, back, turn lady again and switch hold to right side, facing each other, walking around each other 3 steps for the man and 1 more step for the lady. Then switch hold to 2-hand hold, push away. Keeping both hands connected, man bring his left arm up, pulling the lady into the basket position. Now rock, side by side, keeping your hips loose. Then man prepares to roll the lady off his right arm, releasing the hold on his left arm. At the end of the line, lady comes back, rolling back. That's your yo-yo. And again repeat. Extend your free arms to the side into a nice line. Bring your lady back in, tighten the hold, and bring your lady up to her tiptoes and into the dip. Hope this was helpful, and see you in the next video for more wedding dance ideas.